Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how you can enable your website to be sending emails to the website users. So let's say they want to forget password, they can be able to click forget password. They receive an email. Example, I have this simple form here. When I come here into this form and try to create an account, like an example, let me create an account by the name Owen, and then I can come here and input the password. The password I can use any. When I click register, I should be able to see something like this. I just need to give some time. It is saying that account has been created. Check your email for welcome message. Now the data is saved on the database. I'm using my SQL for this. So when I come here into my database and try to do a refresh, I'll be able to see the user here, the user Owen, which is user ID number 4, and then the password is hash and all that. So now let me go back into my email. Remember, we have created an account and it has said that the email has been sent to our email. So let me go into my Gmail and check. So you can see here the email is on our inbox. So when I click it, I can be able to see that your account has been created successfully. You can now log in. So now let's go back again and try to reset and see how forget password is working. So now I can come here and click forget password. You just need to input the email address that I want to forget the password, and then click send reset link. And then when they go into their email, they will be able to see that received an email to reset the password of their account. You can see that is how it is. So now when we go back into our database, you can see a token is generated that they will use to reset the password. So they can proceed and click the link and forget the password. And also after the account has been created, they can just come here and click the link to be redirected to the account. So let me show you how you can achieve all that. For this case, we are going to use SMTP. You need what we call app password. So how do you get the app password? You just go into your Gmail. For this case, I'm going to use this Gmail of mine. You must have done the two-factor verification so that you can be able to access the app password. So how do you get the app password so that you can get this token here to come and put it here? So you need the app password, which is this one, and the email address. The email address is the email that you have used to create the app password, and then the SMTP port will be 587, the SMTP gmail.com, that will be the host, the mail from. Now you can see here, when you come here into our email, you can see we have the name here. It is coming from form. So you can try to change anything here. You can try to have something else here. Maybe it is your brand. Maybe your brand is called something else, or maybe it is with another name. You can replace it here. And then the email from, you can put the email from here, any email that you want. But this one you will use that will the email that will create the app password with. And then the mail enabled, make it true. So how do you get the app password? Let's go back there. So you just come into your Google account. Now on the search Google account, you come here and search app password. So as I had told you earlier, that you must have done two-factor verification so that you can be able to see these app password options. Otherwise, when you search the app password and you have not done the two-factor verification, you will not be able to get it here. So now what you normally do next, you just click app password. After you click the app password, you will see this step. You will be required to log in into your or maybe to verify that this is your account. After you do that, you'll be able to see this option. Now you can come here and create an app. Just call it form. That's simple. Now after writing the app name, I just come here and click create. So now when I click create, you will get this app password on your device for once. So you need to just come here and copy it and make sure you put it somewhere, because you normally get it for once. Now you just click done. After you copy it, just go back into your app. On the config.php, you just come here and input the SMTP password, which is this one, the one that we have copied. You just replace it here, or maybe you just put it here. And then the SMTP user, the email that we have used, this is the email that we have used to create the app password with. And then the SMTP port, it will be 587. Then the SMTP host, it is smtp.gmail.com. The app name form, but you can replace with what you want. You can DM me to get the source code, but if you are watching it on YouTube, you can get the source code from the description, and you can try to do it by yourself. So guys, thank you, and see you in the next video.